Hello and welcome to this Bobbin tutorial. Today we will be looking at creating lesson plans for your lessons. So to view all your lessons across all the courses that you're assigned to, you just go to the lessons section and you can view your planned lessons here, any lessons that are awaiting report, any lessons that are awaiting approval from an admin, any completed, cancelled, or cancelled but chargeable lessons as well. You can also filter your lessons based on your students, courses, clients, and status. Now, if you want to create a lesson plan for a lesson, first decide which lesson it is that you want to do. So, as an example, let's take this lesson here because it doesn't have a lesson plan. So, when you're on this lesson, just click Create Lesson Plan, which will then open an AI editor. Here you can add a prompt to describe what the lesson should be focusing on. Or if you want to create a lesson plan from scratch, then you can just write your own lesson plan in the text editor and then save it. So let's look at the AI editor first and describe what we want to cover in this lesson. So this is a physics lesson. So let's say create a lesson plan for an hour-long A-level lesson focusing on waves, let's say. It can take up to, 30 seconds, but it's fairly quick usually. So if you see here, it has come up with a lesson plan now. Now, the structure of the lesson plan is you've got the basic information at the very top. So it gives you the topic, the course that the lesson belongs to, the duration, and the level. Then we've got the learning objectives, the lesson structure. So the lesson is divided into 10 to 15-minute slots or blocks rather. So it gives you an idea of how to kind of go about the lesson. Any teaching strategies and resources that you might need, the assessment plan, and any beneficial extra study, which is optional between sessions. So this includes homework, etc. Now, if you're happy with this, you just go back. It's automatically saved, so you don't have to click anything to save it. And here you go. You've got the lesson plan right here. Now, this is an AI generated lesson plan, so it might not be perfect, and you might want to edit it, change it, remove some things, add some things, or change some things. So you can easily do that because we want to give you that flexibility. So if you click those three dots here and click edit, you will be able to edit this. So you can either tell AI to edit it for you or, change something on here for you, or you can go to the text editor section and change it yourself. So if there's something that you want to remove, you can easily do that. Probably easier to do it this way. Or if you want to add something, you can just type it in, right? And if you go to the AI editor, you can just tell AI to change the lesson plan for you. So for example, remove the assessment plan. Again, doesn't take super long, takes about 10 to 15 seconds, and you can play a game while you wait. There we go. So it's removed the assessment plan from here, and once it's made the changes, it will ask you if you want to keep the changes or revert to the previous version, so you can either decline or accept them. If you accept them, this is automatically saved, and your lesson plan is updated. You can also view historical versions of your lesson plan. So if you just click three dots here and select history, you can see all the previous versions of the lesson plan. And if you want to revert to a previous version, you can just restore this and it will go back to the way that it was. Now, you can also download this lesson plan if you want to print it or, send it to someone offline. You can absolutely do that. So just click the three dots here and select download PDF, and this automatically generates the lesson plan and downloads it onto your device.